Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to add poll on your Instagram story. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Go to your profile from the bottom right corner. From your profile, tap on the plus icon. From the menu, select Story. You can capture a new photo or video, or upload any photo or video from your gallery. Now tap the sticker icon at the top. Here you will see the poll sticker. Tap on it. Type your question which you want to ask. Then enter your options below. You can add up to 4 options. You can change the color of the text by tapping the rainbow circle at the top. Once finished, tap Done in the top right corner. You can resize the sticker and place it anywhere on the screen by dragging. And when you are all done, you can share your story. Your story has been updated. Check this out. To view the results of your poll, simply tap on your story and tap on Activity in the lower left corner. This will show you how many viewers you have had on your story, as well as who voted on your poll, and how many votes each answer received. You can share the results to anyone, or delete the poll if you want. So in this way, you can add poll on your Instagram story. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.